Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amy if this is your first time seeing me. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 apps that you can use to get that amazing, beautiful, easy, click-worthy YouTube thumbnail. And along the way I'm going to share with you guys tips that you can use when making your YouTube thumbnail. So if you're interested in that, then please keep watching. Back, so I'm going to start with the tips. Yes, I'm going to start with giving you guys the tip, and the number one tip you should know, or the number one tip I'm going to give to you guys, is that you should make sure that your YouTube thumbnail, like the size of your YouTube thumbnail, should be 16:9, like nothing less than that and nothing more than that. That 16:9 is going to give you like the perfect size that you need for your YouTube thumbnail. That's the first tip. And the second tip is, before you start your video, like research on the kind of thumbnail you want. Like if you want to zoom your face in or something, like make sure you've done your research. It is okay if you don't know how you want that thumbnail to look. That's why YouTube is there. All you have to do is go and search what you want, or what your YouTube video is going to be about, or something close. Let's say your video is about how to fix lashes or how to apply your lashes. You can simply go and type into YouTube like how to fix eyelashes, and the top videos you're going to see, let's say probably the top 3 or the top 4 videos that you're going to see, which you know are definitely videos that are doing well and that YouTube ranks well. All you have to do is get inspiration from how the thumbnail, you have an idea of how you want your YouTube thumbnail to look, and then you can actually recreate that, getting in with the inspiration you got from those videos. That's the second tip. And the third one, guys, is that when making your YouTube thumbnail, you should make sure you use bright colors. You want colors that's going to attract your potential subscribers. You want colors that will make your, thumbnail pop. I'm not saying you should go and use rainbow and mix all the rainbow colors together, stuff like that. No, that's not what I'm saying. But you should actually use bright colors that is going to grab their attention and make them want to click on your video. That's the main reason we are doing this thing, to get that amazing thumbnail that is going to grab your potential subscribers. The next tip I'm going to give, which I think is the fourth one, is you want to put a test in your YouTube thumbnail. Of course, there should be a test. Like maybe let's say you want to point at it or something. You should pay attention to where you're pointing at. I advise you to point towards the right side. Like you should move a little and then point towards, when taking your pictures, point towards the right side, not your left side. Why is this? You've like done your YouTube video and everything and uploaded it on YouTube, the side you're pointing at is going to appear at the right side of your phone. And when this is where YouTube puts the duration of your video, like how many minutes your video is, that is where YouTube is going to put it. And the possibility of that duration covering, let's say, either your text or your pictures that you place there is high. Like there is every possibility that that duration is going to block that text you wrote there. That is like what my first mistake. I made that mistake in my first YouTube video, my first ever YouTube video. Yeah, I put my text at the like left side, which is not right, which is not correct. So you should make sure that you're pointing or your text is towards the right side, your right side. And also make sure that your text is bold. Guys, I cannot overemphasize this. Your text should be bold and clear and simple, because you have to consider those people that are actually using their mobile phone to still view your YouTube, because not everybody is going to watch with the TV or with their desktop now. Some of us still watch YouTube with our mobile phone. So you should consider those people when you're putting or when you're writing your YouTube thumbnail. Make sure that the text is bold and clear. Don't go and use all those cursive Jackie Chan fonts that will be doing whatever, because trust me guys, if I see something like that in someone's thumbnail, I'm going to scroll past, because it's not me that you're going to stress like that. And the next tip I'm going to be giving is, like, make sure there's a human face in your thumbnail. Like for your face, basically, that's what I'm saying. I'm just saying use your face in your thumbnail. Make sure your face is there, whether you want to zoom it in anyhow, but make sure your face is in your thumbnail. Why is this? This is because if someone sees your face, and maybe the person watched your video before and the person sees your face in another thumbnail, the person will be like, ah, okay, I've watched this person's video before. So the possibility of that person clicking your video, like clicking on your thumbnail to watch your video, is high, and that is exactly what we want. So make sure that your face is in your thumbnail. I think that's all the tip I have. Yeah, in case I forgot anyone, I'm going to put it somewhere in the description box, or I'm just going to mention it in this video. I don't know, I can't, but I think that's all I have. So let's just jump right into the apps. Guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 apps that you can use to get that amazing thumbnail. And the first app I am going to be talking about is the PicMonkey. PicMonkey is actually a very easy app and straight to the point app. It's just basically the easiest app that you can use to make your YouTube thumbnail. It's just straight to the point. There's nothing confusing about it or anything. Just go in there and make your thumbnail and boom, it's free. That's the important part, guys. These apps are free. So guys, the second app I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is the SnapSeed. Guys, that app is a very amazing app for photo editing. Like, it's just, oh my god, the app is amazing, and the fact that it's free still blows my mind. Like, it's a very good photo editing app, and you can easily get your YouTube thumbnails, like, easily and simple and amazing thumbnails using SnapSeed, and it's totally, completely 100% free. Yeah, amazing. And the reason I'm making this video is this app. When someone messaged me on Instagram and asked me the app that I used, that I use for my YouTube thumbnail, and it's this app. That's why I'm making this video. It's Canva, guys. Canva is like, oh my god, the holy grail for beginners like me. Oh, not everybody's good with this graphic designing and stuff. Like, don't worry, don't stress yourself too much. Canva got you. And the best thing about Canva is they have already made templates there. They already made templates. All you have to do is just go there, I don't know, maybe switch the picture, change the picture if you want to, and change the text to what you want your YouTube video to be about, and boom, that's it. Easy and short. If you do not want to use the already made templates, you can start from scratch and make your YouTube thumbnail. Like, it's amazing, it's simple, it's just straight to the point, and every beginner should actually use this app. You're welcome. So yeah, I think that's the third app. So the fourth app I'm going to be telling you guys about, guys, every content creator should know this app. Like, if you don't have this app, why? What was the reason? InShot. Like, InShot is an all-round powerful editing app. Like, you can edit your videos with it, you can edit your pictures with it. You should have InShot. It's just, you can like, all these short videos you can post on Instagram and stuff like that. InShot has it. I feel like that app is underrated, I swear, because that app is amazing. You can also get amazing YouTube thumbnails using InShot. The next app I am going to be sharing with you guys is the Photo. Is the Photo app, and Photo app is just like, it's a straight to the point app. It's just basically for adding text to pictures. Just bring your picture and add the text. That's basically what Photo is all about. Like, there's nothing, no two ways about it. It's easy, simple, and short. The last app I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the Pixellab. I'm sure that's what it's called. And guys, this app is actually amazing, and it has a lot of features. Like, the features in Pixellab is amazing. And I'm not going to say, it actually gives you like more control over your YouTube or thumbnail making. You have more control on where to place the picture, how to edit the video, like everything. Pixel app got you. These apps are actually, guys, they're actually free apps, but some have the paid version, but you can basically and totally get all your YouTube thumbnails using just the free version. You don't have to pay for anything, because that's the most important part of this video. This app is available on both your iPhone and Android, and also the Canva is actually available for desktop too. I mean, you can use Canva on desktop. Like, why wouldn't I love that app? So yeah, guys, if you know any other apps that I missed that are free, you guys should please let me know in the comments section by dropping the apps in the comment section, so you know we can add to our collection and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video, just like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Like, guys, subscribe. It's free. It's totally completely free of charge, and it takes less than 2 seconds. I'm waiting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful.